Applause to God Almighty. So training me though some of the thing only just 15 minutes low fiber, so I'll be making it like super fast. So you can try that to grab continuity. So continuity cover is how to design a ebook cover. Now most of us will learn more ebook cover. Now we to prepare a little document nípa ẹ̀ tó máa ṣàlàyé fún wa dáadáa tó dẹ̀ máa yé wa. So this is just like the practical. Now platform tí mo dẹ̀ ti fẹ́ ṣe is postermyword.com. So mo believe pé gbogbo wa la mọ bọ́n ṣe register sí àwọn website. You register with your email address, then ẹ máa login, then this is the dashboard. So the first thing that we're going to check is create a design. So here with this platform you can just create a design or you create a new video. Now the ebook cover can serve as an video or just design, which is just picture. So I'm starting with that of picture. So the time after we can just check that video, but more doubt it. So people I get this platform is very simple because just like our get response, our main chimp and the rest. Now templates there ti wà tá lè ti mú. Àmọ́ tí mo template ni àwọn layout wọ́n ti là kalẹ̀ fún wa so that kan jẹ́ ká ṣe kíni kó wà more easier. Then àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá bá ní níbẹ̀ we remove it and then paste our own. Tó bá ní image tá fẹ́, then we just remove it and also add our own image back. So I'm just going to pick one of these ones. So okay. I'm checking which one to take. So let's just make it simple. So that we can go extra miles on doing the rest. Then also I'll search for our design. So let me see if I can search for freelance. So let's see if we're gonna have something related to it. Of course, so if tó bá jẹ́ pé ebook tí mo ti kọ sílẹ̀ has things to do with freelancing job, so definitely this should be what I'll be taking. So as much as the cover we're also setting up for our ebook should be based on the niche tí ebook yẹn dá lé lórí. So kò possible ṣe kí ebook máa sọ nípa ogun Biafra ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa coronavirus exactly. So wàá mú ètò bá tọ̀dọ̀ ẹ ṣiṣẹ́. So I'm going with freelancer. So màá just make it. So it's about preview by. So I'll just customize. So mo fẹ́ customize here. Now this is just like me setting up a form page or a landing page. So àwọn box la lè ṣe kíni la lè make corrections sí ká change àwọn nǹkan tó ṣe kíni tó wà ńbẹ̀. Now if you want to change the video, the image, if you want to add image, you can add from your Facebook, from your Google Drive, Dropbox, and also only in your platform meeting then if you want to upload, you choose here. Now media when go video or audio, see you take text or add another text, say box say template here, this is where you do it. Then layout, we change layout, there will be add another layout, see you do it here. Then clip art, you also add it the background, you can also change the background here. But one design she mistake can be made, then you want to back it. If I know chicken the share. Now I believe we can get a deal. So let me go straight. So I want to use this one to like explain our business just a little bit. So here I'm going to just So on here báyìí mo ti type nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ type tán but ẹ bá rí pé tẹ rí ń sìn pé nǹkan tí mo type yẹn kò wá kò show dáadáa as in àwọn èèyàn àrí dáadáa so mo fẹ́ tweak a little bit. Okay, eléyìí báyìí I need them báyìí so this is why you delete it. So I click load it and come here and what and delete it. Go scroll me báyìí because I need this one to like move down a little bit. So let's go for color change. Look at that, my change color. So you see, so color to the over that way really makes sense a little bit. Yeah, so really over. So here also if you want to change it, yeah, so I'm fetching you see our FEG now nǹkan tí mo ń ṣe yìí ó depend lórí nǹkan tá a bá fẹ́ design ẹ̀ lé ni a ṣe máa ṣe àwọn changes tá a bá ṣe kíni tá a bá fẹ́. So this is how to move it. You move it gradually until it suits you. So don't mind my design. I'm not that good at designing, but over to get a shit to from by and you have to make it superb. So I want to add a text. So let's add fancy text here. So let's add something like fire. So let's again call text in Mofelo. So let's put so on here shall I quick any text style mostly movie by but I'm sticking with just this one. So actually more shape so could just be curve as a corner curve shall so based on your to curve nisale lele shall so to go shama suit in to skinny to fashy èyí náà wà bí ilé iṣẹ́ ti rí báyẹn sìn tẹ́tìrì so let's just let me see no. Yeah, so this one is okay. So the color I dey change color by wow. Yeah, so I'm sticking with this one. So my add so so yeah, it's a good one. So share bit to log be rising. So you drag it to bit to shaking to fake over. If you like, you can like enlarge it to shaking it. Go to this thing. I don't move it to fake over. That will lead to what's legend. So you adjust. Yeah, share rising. Now, so from here, you can tell that you add something else. Let's see. Add shapes. Yeah, can be our shapes and Euro shapes still are included be FEGNC. So let me just you know big message. So let this one come in. So okay, bye bye. So vaya que the logo va a ir by. We're gonna go see that something like this. just like simplify the logo. So really more phone, so we can just know if there's something else you can just bring in. That's really hard, so I'm deleting it, but makes sense in there. So share now. This what a cover looks like. So let me try to like add a layout. So let's just add something like menu, like see what I'm gonna add there. So let's add, okay, let's add this one. Really want to see better, but I can add new stuff. I can put my first name. Now I'm gonna try that fast and to be time to money, so that I can hear me ní parí okay. So save it. So to save by 1 2 3 I add Google method time. So I just can go a bit so okay. I really looking okay. You can share the link. I can move the link see okay. Then link go as select TSC. Then my share it changes. Let's see. Family fast okay TSC. So that's it. So you can bring it to the middle. This centralize and go. But the other. Let me try to like change its color. So let's put something like I think this one is gonna be wow. I think this should be okay. So I change size. Oh, it's too big. Yeah. Okay. So I think it's a little bit bigger. So if I reduce it, okay, let's work it fine. So shall I say so I'm done with my cover. So from there you save it, you can share it with another people, another person. So let's save first. The design has been saved. So on the day, so do I have a download there? Let's see. Do I leave download? So on your basic image, no just free. Do I have a basic print quality image? I'll be poster quality. I might need to upgrade. I'll be so we are going for the basic, which is free. So I wonder if we on a little thing download library. So let me open it. Gallery. Yeah, so on the left. So I'm done with a book cover. So I have book cover. I to my explain business one. Now that's what I've just done. So applause to God Almighty.